Hello, this is David Tuck from mytaxsecrets.com. I wrote this course because there's such a need that I saw time and time again. I would see tax returns when I used to work for the Internal Revenue Service as an IRS auditor before I gave them the finger and walked away and decided to be on this side of the table, helping people, being proactive to avoid those 5 most expensive words. This could have been avoided. And so much of an IRS audit could have been avoided. Or if you get audited, you're prepared in that we're ready for that IRS audit. We're ready for that due diligence claim, no matter what it is. If it's a divorce, disability, death, disagreement between partners, a lawsuit or whatever, that we are prepared, that we've got our documents in order, that we know what we're doing and why and how. So this course is to help people to build wealth, protect, and control wealth. I wanted to go over what's inside the course so that it gives you a taste of what to expect and the gold nuggets. No, wait. It's not gold, it's plutonium. This is, I feel like, so powerful. This is stuff that people need, that they're missing. They're not being communicated to by their accountant. Unfortunately, I wish more accountants had the time, energy, resources to communicate these plutonium nuggets of how, what, when, where, why, what the IRS is looking for, and all those things. This course is designed to go through and talk about what the IRS is looking for, why, from a tax standpoint, from a legal standpoint, securing yourself, making sure that you've got your documents in a row, ducks in a row, and that you're organizing, that you're setting up LLCs, and that you got the right paperwork, and that you're protected. You're protecting your, you know what. And then accounting, using accounting not only to track and record history, but also to make history, to help you to make decisions. So in this first part, mastering your money, talk about the benefits of good bookkeeping, avoiding large, unusual, questionable items, red flags. What are expense buckets? I talk about chaos to clarity. You earn it, they tax it. There's that old saying, you earn it, they tax it. You save it, they tax it. You spend it, they tax it. You die, they tax it. The survival guide, protecting your business and maximizing profits, choosing the right business entity, LLCs, tax classifications, understanding that. There's a lot of jargon, complication. New business startup, I have a bunch of modules about startup. Quarterly estimated tax payments, so important, understanding when, what, how, where to maximize quarterly tax payments so you're not overpaying, so you're not underpaying, so you're just doing the right thing, not getting penalties. And number 5, maximizing business expenses. I have a couple overview modules here. They're short, and there's about 62 modules so far in here, ranging from 3 to 15 minutes or so, and just various lengths. Attempt to make it as streamlined as possible, cut out the fluff, and just give you the right stuff that you need and want, and the stuff that's going to actually move the needle. So I start with accounting fees, advertising. I go through, and this is the biggest module. There's over 47 different expense categories, breaking down these expense categories, because I see people falling short. They just don't know what expense categories, where to put stuff, where, why, how, when, and putting that theory into practical. We go through these modules. And then we have accountable plans and the importance of accountable plans and the documentation behind it. You can download the audio as well and listen to it if you don't want to read everything. You can download it. So it's meant for an interactive standpoint. Some people are visual, some people are auditory, some people they just want to read it themselves. That's fine. There's also an app. This is on Kajabi platform, so download the app on the Android or Apple and be able to plug in and listen to it when you're commuting, exercising, walking the dog, or whatever you're doing dishes. This stuff is going to help you, because the taxes are the largest expense that we have over our lifetime, and we want to legally, ethically, morally reduce our taxes. So this is a simple start guide. This is my inside secrets of what I wish people knew that they don't. No matter if you're just starting a business and thinking about planning a business, or you're a multi-million-dollar business and you're making $100 million a year, there's still nuggets of plutonium that I like to say that you will most likely get from this course. It's packed full of my secrets, packed full of things that I want people to know. So if we can increase that level of knowledge to a certain point, then have a deeper conversation. My job is to help to break it down into plain English as much as possible, but then also to elevate and to help increase that knowledge to make you smarter. This is my heartfelt attempt to communicate everything that I've learned from working at the IRS and all my years of decades of experience, over 24 years of experience of doing this type of work and helping people, investing my heart, my life, my soul into this. So I hope that you feel this. I hope that you see the fruit from this and really learn from this, because I think that this is a valuable tool and I want to communicate this and use this as a learning opportunity. Just a side note, these modules are meant to be more of if you have questions about certain things. It's not meant that you go through everything line by line or each module. It's not sequential. You can bounce around. And so there's flexibility. You can choose your own adventure. Until we speak again, blessings.